What did you forget to pack when you moved in?
The most important thing I forgot was my jacket. I forgot my big jacket. It's cold in Nottingham and it's raining. And I forgot my jacket. So like the first month I had a jean jacket. I was wearing that for the first month until I went back and then came back again with my big jacket. I was all warm and cozy and stuff.
I forgot to pack a Doorstop because I thought it wasn't important, but those doors in halls are quite heavy and they close automatically. So if you would like to keep it open, get a Doorstop.
Coat hangers. Don't forget the coat hangers.
Snacks. I forgot to pack snacks.
I actually forgot to bring a clothes horse, and I don't think I remembered until I went to do my laundry and had nothing to hang it on. So that's probably something you want to remember.
I didn't bring a mattress topper when I first moved in to my room at Lenton and Wortley, and that's something I would recommend just as a little extra home comfort for a good night's sleep.
I had a little summer outfit and it wasn't fit for the weather, and I forgot to pack a lot of winter outfit. I think that was one important thing that I forgot to pack.
I once forgot my laptop, which was pretty bad. It had to be posted to me, which is very stressful. Don't forget your laptop.